Chapter 4.1 Area and Postcode Profiling. Origin has a range of tools that allow administrators to configure area profiles that present statistics and other data in a very user-friendly way. We can integrate this into many aspects of your solution. In this example, we have it brought into the home page as an area profile search. Users can simply enter their postcode, or if they know, select their ward. This is aimed at the non-expert user, people like counsellors, managers, or the general public. So I'm going to go ahead and enter in postcode. The system will then go off based on that postcode and present with me a simple profile of my area. So this profile first of all tells me where I am in relation to the council, so which district I live in, which ward that is, and which sub-ward, which is lower super output area. I can then see some key facts about my area in terms of households, population, and so forth. And all of this information comes from underlying data sets. So we can configure these profiles to use any data in your system and give you the administrative tools to set up and maintain what data should be available to users of the profiles. The location map here just shows me specific where I am in relation to my postcode and map on a map. And in the top right hand side we have a list of all the profiles that are available to me. And once again, this is all security controlled, so the system recognizes my security privileges and only presents those profiles which are applicable to my access level. So I'm going to go ahead and look at crime and antisocial behaviour. First of all, I get presented with a disclaimer, and this is an optional item, but some customers like that because it means they can forewarn the end user on the data. So we have selected crime and antisocial behaviour. We're immediately presented with some summary information. I can see that the total crime within the central ward is high, and I can flick through and see some comparison data. So I can see in how that sub-ward, which is Park Hills Square, compares with the South Yorkshire highest in this case in the average. I can also view some trend data. I can see that in a bar chart or line chart. And I can also view a thematic map of that information. So we can see that on my postcode it's actually in quite a high rate of crime area. And I can flick between other indicators that have been set up in this profile. So we have vehicle crime, and we have robbery, and so forth. And as you can see, this is all data that comes from the underlying Origin data store. A case of publish once and use it many times. I can easily flick through to see other profiles that have been set up, such as fire and rescue, road traffic accidents, anything that meets the geographic requirement that you set out. And that's a quick overview of profiling within Origin.